What is up, YouTube? Compulsive Producer coming at you here. We're about to get into episode 1 of this new channel that I just started. Yeah, let's get right into it. What's going on with that bass? I'm not liking this. Sometimes, sometimes I'm not very good at bass. But I really want to try right now, so bear with me. Alright, so now that we have our bass, let's see if I can get any vocal melodies going. Not necessarily to keep what I'm going to record, but to sample out of. That's really what I want to get into next.
Alright, so I'm just gonna dive in. Let's create some more. Let's create some space to breathe over here. We're gonna loop it and let it go.
I like to change my track colors. Today I feel like blue. Dark blue. I like to name my tracks. Compulsive Producer. Do you guys like that? I just literally thought of it right before I started this video. Compulsive Producer Vox. Instead of voice. Okay, it's Vox. Here we go. Yeah. I'm gonna pause this and scope through this. We're gonna take these 4 samples and we're first gonna bounce him. Bounce to new clips.
What I like to do is mute this here, and then I will open up an NXT, and then NXT.
We're gonna see if we can make them work. Oh, I'm getting stuffy. I think I need to lower the AC. But we're gonna soldier on. Don't tell anybody. Let's see. The first thing I want to do is let's go an octave up. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yep. Here we are now. I sound a little stuffy. This sucks. This is gonna take a while. And I need to go get water. And I need to lower the AC. Alright, so I kind of went in and dissected these. Messed with their starting points. That's kind of how you mess in here. And also, if you want a more in-depth video into NXT, drop a comment below. I kind of have a little thing that I want to add here before we get into the drums. Oh, I haven't titled this. Let's go ahead and title this. We'll title it Samples. There we go. Even though it's just me pitched up. Alright, so as you can see here, I got my structure now. It's nothing too complicated. I haven't really processed it either, so it's just dry. It's just the samples pitched up. But it's sounding pretty cool. I want the Rob Papin RP verb effect. Yeah, that looks fun. Oh, nice. It just started to rain. Okay. All clean. I dig it. I'll be back. Hopefully also with a redrum kit or a Kong. I'm not too sure what we're going to go with. Alright guys, so as you can tell here, we decided to go with Kong. I'm liking this kick drum here and this clap here. I really don't know what else I can squeeze out of it. usually set up the quantize record down here, click, so that it quantizes automatically. Let's make sure it got it all right. Oh, one of these guys. Where are we? 116. Okay, so we got the beef. We got the beef. We got the beef. Very important. Getting the beef, guys. And for the hi-hat, I'm gonna try doing it without quantizing. See if I get some like natural groove.
Yeah.
If you don't feel it, guys, don't go through with the take. Just kidding. You can do whatever you want. You get some that are a little bit off just to give it that realistic feel. I think this beat calls for that. Yeah, I like that. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna get a few of our sounds here, and we're gonna create a sidechain bus, and we're gonna give it a cooler color because that color sucks. These are kind of like the settings I like to go for. Not too much, not too little. Yeah, we're going to wire it. Auto route, make sure it goes correctly. This is the kick drum we're using, and so we're gonna grab this guy.
We're gonna route this guy to output 3 and 4, and then we're gonna route this guy into the sidechain and of the compressor inside the sidechain.
So what I essentially want is for this kick drum, which is on channel 1, to trigger this guy. You see how you don't hear any sound, but you're seeing this gain reduction? That's because that's gonna be like the pump sidechain. And so what I want is for the regular kick drum to trigger that one. And so whenever there is, we selected the chords and the samples, the yay samples over there. Whenever the kick drum hits, it's gonna like create this suction effect. Sounds clean. I'm hearing the track here, seeing what we got. Everything sounds cool. I'm gonna mess with this, polish it, make it all nice and sexy. I want to thank you. If obviously this is my first video, so if you're watching right now, it's pretty weird, pretty crazy. Let me know if you like this. Let me know if you want me to do anything. I just realized that I didn't explain what software I use. It's called Reason by Propellerhead. Oh, maybe I did. I don't know. Well, for anyone that uses Reason, as soon as they see this icon right here, you know what's up. You know what's up. Anyway, if you also want to support another endeavor that I have, I do have an eBay page where I sell vintage clothing. Go check it out. I'm going to put a link down below. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the beat. Let me know what's up, and I'll see you tomorrow.